Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got a unbagging for you. Now, before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that everyone's doing great, and please consider subscribing if you haven't. I would be happy to have you join me, and please hit the like button. It does help my channel. And also leave me a comment, and if you have any questions, you can leave those too. So this is the first time I have ever done an unbagging for this company, and it is called, well, I'm going to spell it. It's WISKF. Now, they got a hold of me, wanted to know if I wanted to show their products, and I said, yep. So they told me to get on there, and they gave me a certain price point. So I took and got on, and I got me a couple items. Alright, so the first thing that I got was this tote. Now this is what they carry. They carry totes and aprons, y'all. They have aprons. They are so cute. All right, so everything that they have is environmentally safe. They use harmless ink. And y'all, look at what I got. Now, isn't that precious? Tell me that does not look like my booger. Except for one side of Booger's face is a little whiter than the other side. He don't have both sides black. Just the one side, and then the one side's white. But still, isn't him precious? Yes, he is. But this is a very well made, I think. The canvas is pretty thick. I mean, it's not like thick, but it ain't real thin either. It is sewed very well, and the handles are very sturdy, and it's pretty deep. I mean, it really is. And then the inside seams are sewn really well also. I mean, they're on there really good, the handles. Very good. And they say that they're made for large loads, for, like heavy. I mean, I wouldn't put a load of bricks in here, but I mean, they would be fine for groceries. You could use these, say, if y'all go on your little retreats. You could put your diamond paintings and your extra drills and your cross-stitch stuff. Anything you want to put in here, you could put in here. But, yeah, I thought this was so precious. And they have got tons and tons and tons to choose from, y'all. They really do. And they have it broke up into categories. So, yeah, it's very, very professional website. And I just thought it was really cute that they have aprons. And the aprons are really cute. So, this one in particular is called Linen Tote Bag Dog. And it is $5.99 on the website WISKF. WISKF, I don't know. But that is how you spell it. Now, like I said, they have got animals, they've got scenery, they've got to where you can do customs. Like you could send a picture of, say, yourself, and they'll make a bag with your picture on it. So, yeah, they do customs and everything else. And like I said, they also have aprons. So, yeah, I thought this was so super cute. So, yeah, love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so I'm going to set that one to the side. And now the other one that I got, let me get this out of the bag. Sorry about all the noise. Now, this one is called a canvas shopping bag. And y'all, this is like real thick. And it folds out. And it has like rope handles. And it has, that's just like decorative. But they have like your monogram on them. And of course, my name is Scarlet, so I got the S. But these are really nice. Real thick. Oh, and it's got a zipper in there. I didn't know that. And this side over here is actually lined, it feels like, with like a plastic. Look, I'm going to bring y'all up a little bit more. Oop. And hopefully I can get this open and y'all can see down in it. But this is pretty nice. And then it's got this pocket, the zipper pocket. So that's pretty nice. And like I said, it's made really well. Really well. And the handles feel good. And they're very thick. The sides are very thick. And then this here, this is just a cutesy ribbon. Decorative ribbon. So they have these in all of the alphabet. And these are $12.99. Alright. So this is just like really nice. So this would come in handy also if you were going like overnight somewhere and you just needed to take a change of clothes or whatever, you could just throw them in there. Or if you are going, like if y'all go to exercise class or dance class or, you know, anything like that to where you got to throw something in there. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Or you can take it to the grocery store, Walmart, whatever. But yeah, these are very nice. Very nice. Nice made, well made, very sturdy. And like I said, they are so cute. They've got all kinds. Cartoons. They've got cartoon. They've got, oh my Lord, the list goes on and on. $5.99, $12.99. And right now, they have got, let me see, I wrote this down. They've got free shipping if you buy 6 or more. All right, so, and it would not be hard to get 6 of these. So, I mean, for $5.99, you could get 6 of them, and, I mean, you're not really spending that much. And they have a buy 4, get 1 free. So, yeah. So, like I said, y'all go check this out. I will leave the link to these on my in my description box, and I'll leave all the info and everything there too. So that way you can go check this company out and get yourself some totes. And yeah, I mean, a lot of these places, like some of these stores now, they don't even have shopping bags. You know, you got to bring your own. Like, I don't know if anybody has like an Aldi's, but yeah, Aldi's is one of those companies, those grocery stores where you have to either bring your own bags or you are going to carry your items home individually in your arms or in a box that they provide. I mean, I think you can buy a sack or something there, but why buy a sack when you've got one here and you can just take it with you and fill her up? So, but yeah. All right, y'all. I'm going to get off here and please go check this company out, WISKF, and see what y'all think. So, all right, y'all. Until my next video, I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you later. Bye, y'all.